What's going on, everybody? So today we're just going over some price action here with Baby Doge. We're going to talk about where the price is more likely to go next. That's pretty much all we're doing today, so definitely stick around to the end of the video. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's get straight into it. So as you can see right now, we are at 8Z 1374. So yeah, we're at that 1300 level, and since we're doing like a little bit of a short-term price action, price prediction, technical analysis here, we're just gonna go ahead and look at the 15-minute chart, and that's exactly what we're looking at now. So we're at 1374 right now, right? We bounced off this resistance yesterday, and that was that 1440 resistance, right? We bounced off that 1440 resistance yesterday, so we pretty much got rejected right there. Now at this area here, I was looking at it, I was like, well, there's a possibility that we could be dropping, and that's why I decided to make this video, because it actually broke the trend that I was looking at. So this is a little short-term pattern here. It's a short-term trend, short-term pattern, and it actually just now broke out of it. So this is pretty much a confirmation that we are going to be pulling back to the next support area. So we just now broke out of that wedge pattern here, and this is just from a short-term perspective for today. So we should be making our way all the way back down to 8Z 1300 and eventually 1290, because 1290, 1292, give or take, that is where we have this Fibonacci retracement at. So we're going to make our way all the way back down there. So that's not that far of a move from where we are now. We're at 1374. So we should be going down there very soon. If you actually look at what we've done here inside of prices for Baby Doge, you can come up with this first support coming down here on the way down 1370. Obviously, we're at 1369, so that's not a big deal. And then the next one that you're probably going to end up seeing will be somewhere around this area, maybe around 1320, because as you can see here, we had some support there at 1320. So I would think that 1320 would be a nice area for us to stop on the way down to try to, make a comeback from there. And then you can also see we have more support down here. This support is around at exactly 1300. These are just levels that we hit before we go all the way down to 1290 at that Fibonacci support level. So these are just those levels that we can hit before then, right? And then if you look at this, we had resistance here, and we also had support for this level as well. So that is another one that you would want to watch out for, 1350. So these are just levels that you can kind of watch out for on the way down here for Baby Doge. So on the way down, these are the levels that we're watching out for. Again, it doesn't mean that it's just going to immediately do this. Stuff like this typically takes a little bit. It could take a day, it could take 2 days, it could take a week. But what I will say is, if Bitcoin were to just continue to drop, right? And right now, Bitcoin is probably going to get rejected. I'm just going to put that out there. It's just what I'm seeing right now. We're having lower highs here. As you can see, the highs are becoming lower and lower and lower just from looking at this chart alone. And that's just for the last 7 days. So I'm just predicting that Bitcoin's going to drag everything else down, and Baby Doge is not immune to that. I'm definitely noticing that Baby Doge, it's probably going to end up going down a little bit more. So these are just levels that you would want to watch out for on the way down. So yes, 1290 is coming out very soon, and then I'll make another video updating after we reach that level. I'll make another video talking about the next levels for us to reach. I want to get back into the flow of doing these daily technical analysis videos for Baby Doge, just to kind of show you guys where the prices is going, or where the price is going, because I haven't been making a lot of Baby Doge videos, and I know a lot of people want to hear about it. So that's pretty much what we got today. 19 million inside of volume. So yeah, decent volume, not too bad. And again, we've been doing pretty good in the last 2 weeks. Just kind of thinking about that, from the 10th of March till now, like Baby Doge has ran up a good amount, 16% from the 10th of March till now. So this is just going to be that pullback. It's like the calm before the storm. And actually, if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can notice a pattern here that has been going on in Baby Doge for a long time. And by a long time, I mean December of last year. So you can actually see how when Baby Doge starts to go down, it has this random point where it hits a support and then starts to climb up, but then gets rejected. A random point where it hits that support on the Fibonacci, rejects. Another support here, rejects. Hits the Fibonacci support, it goes up a little bit, rejects. And then right in the middle, right before that other Fibonacci, goes up, rejects. Next one goes up, rejects. And then as you can see, it goes down, goes up again, rejects, up again, rejects. This kind of looks like another one of those, but this one right here is actually bigger than all of these. The only one that kind of matches it is the one back here where we've seen the 3rd of February all the way up to like the 12th of February. It kind of was the same, but not really. Like this one was just a straight run upwards. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. So yeah, let me know what exactly you guys think is gonna transpire from this. What do you think is about to happen? Do you think that we're just gonna continue to go down? I believe we're about to hit that support at 1300. We got rejected up here, so it's only right that we hit that support. So that's pretty much what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that Fibonacci support, because you can actually look at this resistance level. This is a resistance level that we've hit before. This isn't new. This is not new at all. This is a resistance level that we hit time and time again once we pull back. And you can kind of see it a little bit here. I just have to make it a little bit more straight. So as you can see right there, it's not the most perfect line here. I got to pull it down just a little bit. But as you can see, we were getting rejected at that level over it. Around, what was that, like the 25th, 26th of February. And then, it was kind of used as a support slash resistance here. That's the support. And then around here, like a resistance, and then some more support here, and then more support here. So 8Z 1500 is always a significant level for us. That's why we ended up getting rejected there at 8Z 1500. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. So yeah, definitely go ahead, hit the like button, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And as always, I'll be back with another video.